Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Selena Maria and today I have a cookie recipe for you. So I'm just going to go through the ingredients. What you are going to need is 2 large eggs, butter, flour, vanilla essence, baking powder, light brown sugar and white sugar. And now I'm just measuring out the butter. So you're going to need 1¼ cups of butter. I just translated that into grams and I've worked with that. After you are done measuring out your butter, you're going to need to put your butter into a heated pan where we will melt the butter. And this process is called browning the butter. So once the butter is in the pan, put your pan on a low to medium heat so that you are cooking the butter. So just keep on stirring it. So as you can see, the butter is now fully melted and starting to bubble up a little bit. So it will bubble up, that means you're doing it correctly. We're trying to achieve that brown color, so just keep on stirring, guys. I know it's long, but just keep on stirring. You've got this. It will also start to foam up a little bit. Yep, and at this point you actually jump out and yeah, so it burnt me a little bit, but as you can see that it's foaming. So if your butter is also looking like this, that means you're doing it correctly. So now that you can see that the color has changed to brown, this is the color that we want to receive, guys. So keep on going. Don't worry about that little burnt mark on the side of the pan. It will come out in the wash. But yeah, so once you have reached this color, you've perfectly browned the butter. If you feel like you've burnt the butter, once it's cooled down, you can actually try it to check. Now I'm just measuring out a cup of this. Again, I converted it into grams. Guys, if you look at the scales and it's not adding up, it's because that's all I had, to be honest. Yeah, so now I'm putting it into the mixer. I've now measured my white sugar. You're going to need 3/4 cups of this. Add that into the bowl. You're going to need a teaspoon of vanilla essence. I've also added that into the bowl. After I've done this, I've measured out my flour, and you are going to need 2 3/4 cups of flour, guys. It's important that you measure out your flour properly, and then you actually need 2 teaspoons of baking soda, guys. It was late and I don't think my head was really in the game. I've just added 1, but make sure you put 2. So this is my frozen butter that I'm now pouring into the mixing bowl. I've already cracked my eggs in there. I'm adding in the flour and I'm mixing, guys. You don't want to mix too harshly. I think I was even going too fast because this is really cookies that we're making here, not cake. I've now added in my chocolate chips. True said I didn't have chocolate chips, so I've just used my brother's leftover Easter egg. But yes, guys, mix that, not as harsh as I am mixing mine, please. I'm scooping out the cookie mixture with an ice cream scoop, guys. This is the size that you want your cookies to be. And I'm only putting 4 on the baking tray because they do spread out quite a lot and I don't want them touching each other. After I've done this, I'm sprinkling on top the chocolate chips to give it that extra nice effect. And I'm going to put them in the oven, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, guys. And these will be cooking for around 10 to 12 minutes. Look at these beautiful, delicious looking cookies, guys. Come on, easy peasy lemon squeezy.